This is VRS from Bumper. It's from my 2013 Subaru hatchback. It doesn't fit perfectly when I bought it. I had to trim out a little bit right here and right there for the front headlight. When I got it, it had some tiny cracks right here and some primer coat falling off on the side. This bottom piece is actually detachable, so it's like a front lip, and I just didn't tie it with screws. I just need to sand it down and put paint on it. I just got my bumper painted. Ooh, look at this. Look how shiny it is. Whew. All right, can't wait to put it all together.
One shot, one chance, one move, one dance. One shot, one chance, one move, one dance. One shot, one chance, one move, one dance. One shot. Brace yourself for the bass.
Not bad.